These are the things Japanese kids say that they say. Oh, sometimes they're rude, sometimes they're cute. Mm. Hey, what do you mean that foreigners are scary? I haven't even done anything but smile and be kind to this guy. What am I doing? Like, that's some xenophobic ish, bro. And you're in elementary school. Like, what do you mean, first of all, foreigners are scary? Them try me, them Pitney try me. Anyway, let me just behave myself. Me scary? Does this face look scary to you guys? Oh, okay. Let's work on it. Am I not a kind teacher to you? Right. So let's work together. All right. Okay. High touch. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, I'm cool. I know that. Enough to tell me that. Yeah, Jamaica, I come from in the boss. You don't know, say that everything up. Burn up the road like I'm pave it off. You see it? Yeah. Anyway, let me just calm down again. Me? Right? Yeah, I think so too. Thank you. Yeah. You're cool too. Oh, what kind of question that man you come ask me, man? Although me not really know, too know the real answer. I know something about if you believe in the creation and then if you believe in the evolution are two different ideas. But black, white, but when we come from, everybody look different, so it don't really mean nothing to me. I mean, we never really think about ask them question there. Anyway, let me see if we can get them one little answer there. Why are you that color? Oh, because you're Japanese. Okay, so in Jamaica, where I'm from, we have persons that look like Andre and look like you and look like Johnny Depp. No, we don't have anybody that looks like Donald Trump. We have many colors in Jamaica out of many one people. So only them place the black people come from? I'll teach them people the geography. Technically, I know we come from Africa still, but like way back there, so you see me. Yeah, them kids there, boy. I try with them, I try me, them I try me, though. Them I try me. Anyway, calm down. No. I'm not from any of those countries. I'm from Jamaica. Do you know Jamaica? Bolto. What? Very fast. Right. Hold on. Me? When I call Karina? Me look like you move my papa to you? Eh? Why would you even think about calling me gorilla? I'm less here than you. You're 10 times more here than me. Eh? You really think say, that is a smart thing to say? One of their school I chat them same something that me could have never dream in my umpteen years when me at Pitney we got call my teacher that to them face. Much less behind them back or to the side of them back. So me not understand how you do so brazen. Why why do you feel like say because me no speak Japanese, me not understand what they say? Huh? No sir. No sir. This is yo when them say Japanese speak the Lord I must say me no want to come tell me nothing. Me no want to come tell me nothing. Cause me no want to get deported to box on a Japanese speaking here today. Cause them rude. Calm down. Calm. Calm down. Just deal with them, yeah, just deal with them properly. Just whoos, whoos. No, don't. That word is very rude. Don't say that. All right? It's very rude to say gorilla to a black foreigner, especially. If you go to foreign country and say gorilla to someone that looks like me, they get angry. And you could be in big trouble. Let's not say that again. All right? I'm not angry at you. I'm angry at the word that you said. All right? All right? Good job. All right. Why una try me in here today? Today. Me I go tell you about no woman, Me I go do it because me not understand how they can look at me and call me. Even if because my skin brown or my dark and me look like shit according to at least mine can use in a manure and compost for farm and nurture the little plant and whatever when I yam every day. Well, skin will look white and whatever, and they dry out dirty now and I use type ash. That calm down. Just correct them thing and nobody fall into the stereotype of the angry foreigner and then them scary and them say black people do this and that. Hold it. Hold it. Me bet to them now call them white teacher that. Hey, come on. What did I say about saying bad words? Huh? You know, don't say that. You know what it means. You know better. Do you do that at school? Gakko de onaji koto yaru no? So why here? Come on, buddy. Come on. You know better. All right? Good. Me, you say stink? Me in me ismiyaki cologne. Me will be 2 to 3 times a day when I call stink. Me will use coconut oil in my head. Me will use shea butter in my head. I don't call me stink. Me when no yam natto and raw fish every day. Uno I call stink. Me? No sir. Mm-mm. I can't me when you come here with the green serve after I play whole day. I call me stink. Uno must be mad to ride. Uno can't smell look good shea butter and coconut something in my head. Good damn smell and you call that stink. Well, I don't know what smell good then. Calm down, calm down, calm. Hold it, hold it. No, guys. You don't like coconut smell? It's coconut. it's. I don't know. No. I'm gonna stop right now because I'm done with the niceness. You cannot say I smell when y'all doing. You know what? It's not worth it. I'm done. I'm done. We're gone. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Hit the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. Comment down below and tell me if you've ever had experience with students saying rude things to you or whatever students say to you in your home country or in Japan, wherever. Leave in the comments below and maybe you'll be included in the next video. Alright? See you! Bye!